Hey everybody, this is Coach Bryant. I want to talk to you about combining integer problems. Combining integer problems will be simple if you think about it in three easy steps. Where are we starting? Where are we going? And how far? Where are we starting? Where are we going? And how far? And I like to visualize these problems using a number line. So let's start off with the first example. Negative 5 and this weird progression of two negatives. Now, we can tell by this that the starting point is negative 5. We would create a number line and we'd put negative 5 on it because to start with, we're going to go to negative 5. Negative is always to the left. So actually, we started over here at 0, went to negative 5. Now, which way are we going to go? Decide if the change is going to be positive or negative. So we're going to change from this point to somewhere else, and we're going to the right or we're going to the left. Now we have rules about that to determine if the second integer is positive or negative. We're going to first of all just figure that out and just create an arrow to decide which it is. So let's look at this. You say this the opposite of negative 9. So the opposite of negative 9 is positive 9. So now our arrow is going to point to the right from 5. Step 3, how far are we going to go? Well, it tells us to go 9 places from negative 5. So let's look at what that looks like on the number line. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. How far are we going to go? We're going to go from negative 5 and we're going to go 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look where I'm at. I'm back to 0. 6. Now I'm in positive territory. 7, 8, and 9. And I ended up at positive 4. So if you think about it, this is the math, negative 5 and the opposite of negative 9. So we have negative 5 and positive 9. Different signs, subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. Keep the sign of the bigger number or the more units. Okay? All right, let's do another. Let me lead you through another example and then I'll have you try it. Okay? So in this example, we have 3 or positive 3 and negative 9. So we are going to start here at positive 3. Now, given positive 3 and negative 9, which direction are we going to go? Are we going to go to the right? Are we going for positive or left to the negative? And our rule states that a positive and a negative is a negative. So we're going to go to the negative. And if you just say it and negative 9, it makes it certain that we are going to the left or negative from positive 3. Okay, so we're going to go to the left from positive 3 and we are going to go 9 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now that's a hard way to get an answer, but at least it'll make a little bit more sense, or it's logical to you. And if I figure that out right, I was at positive 3. I went back to positive 2, 1. Now here should be 0. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. I should be at negative 6. But let's check our math to find out. So we were at positive 3 and we went to the left 9 places. So positive 3, negative 9. They're different, so we're going to find the difference, or as the song goes, different signs subtract. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Keep the sign of the big number or the more units, and then you'll be exact. So yes, it was negative 6. All right, so the next problem is this try it. And now notice the numbers are really big. So the number line's not going to help exactly solve it for you. The idea is just that you get it going in the right direction. And again, we are learning to solve combining integer problems with a number line and think through it in 3 easy steps. Where are we starting? Where are we going? And how far? Good luck on this try it problem.